Getting the Christmas spirit in your home with IKEA product part 2. 1. Clear baubles with different patterns add a subtle sparkle to contrast with gold and silver decorations. They also evoke beautiful images of frosty Christmases. The VINTER 2022 clear baubles look like glass but are acrylic. 2. Shiny metallic globe baubles are a classic for a good reason. They go beautifully with a variety of other shapes and styles. The VINTER 2022 plastic baubles are hard to break and made from recycled plastic too. But if you want something more unique, choose glass ornaments. 3. Evoke memories of Christmas storybook illustrations of snowflakes and reindeer with the unique VINTER 2022 Christmas ornaments. These pretty figures will also serve to decorate a window in the children's rooms. 4. Candles on a Christmas tree are a classic decoration style. The hsrlayout lighting chain with 24 candle lights gives you a fuss-free way to enjoy the beauty of candle decorations. The individual clips hold the candles securely to the tree. 5. Experiment with colors other than the standard gold and red with silver and blue ornaments. Despite their delicate looks, the VINTER 2022 decoration baubles can withstand inadvertent falls from the tree. 6. Place a cute stuffed or lit-up Santa at the foot of the tree to watch over the Christmas gifts and goodies. The warm lighting will warm the hearts of old and young alike. 7. There is nothing that says Christmas quite as exquisitely as a statement shelf or mantelpiece. Select one area in your living room to create a showstopper arrangement. If you have heirloom decorations, make them the centerpiece and decorate around them. 8. Candles and lights are a part of Christmas charm. They create loads of atmosphere and look just as beautiful alone or as part of a decorative arrangement. The VINTER 2022 block candles with a gingerbread theme are perfect to add warmth and grace to your living room, while the scented candle in a tin looks as beautiful as its fragrance.
For more interesting tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Thank you, Tamewood Spice.